In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Crypto.com to your bank account. If you're ready, let's dive right into it. First, we'll need to head over to the Crypto.com homepage. You'll want to be logged in so you can access your account details. Once you're on the homepage, look for the accounts option. This is where all your financial transactions begin. When you click on accounts, you'll be prompted to specify the amount of money you wish to withdraw. It's a straightforward process, but here's a helpful tip. Double check to ensure that the amount you're withdrawing aligns with your available balance to prevent any issues later on. After entering the amount, you'll need to choose the USD wallet. This is crucial because this wallet holds your funds in US dollars and is linked directly to your bank account. If you have multiple wallets, ensure you choose the correct one to avoid any complications. Now, here's another quick tip. If you're unsure of your wallet details, checking earlier transactions with this wallet will ensure no surprises during your withdrawal process. Once you've selected the correct wallet, the next step is to locate the three dots, typically called the options menu. Clicking this will bring up additional actions you can undertake. It's quite common to see various options here, but you're specifically looking out for withdraw. This option will set you on the path towards transferring your funds seamlessly. After selecting withdraw, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your transaction. This involves confirming your bank details and ensuring everything matches your intended account. It might seem repetitive, but cross-verifying your bank details against what's on record can save you from headaches and delays. And there you have it, a fully guided walkthrough on withdrawing your money from Crypto.com to your bank account. Just remember, each step is designed with security and accuracy in mind, ensuring your funds are not only safe but also arrive at the right destination. Like with any online transactions, patience and alertness are your best tools, safeguarding against potential errors or mishaps. Whether you're new to Crypto.com or looking to freshen up your knowledge, these steps will serve as your reliable guide. So go ahead and give it a try, and I hope you find this process as intuitive as I do. Thank you for watching, and happy withdrawing.